Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, Brown Queendom. My name is Mary, and in this video you're going to see me install my protective style, which is going to be some crochet locks. So let's get into this video. Okay, so like I said, in this video you're going to see me install this protective style using my crochet needle, some crochet hair, which is from my local beauty supply store, which I believe it was the brand Tress, and my fingers. Really, my hair is already braided up here because I went ahead and installed the hair, but I am going to show you exactly how to get the hair onto your hair. I am going to show you that step here. So first you want to slide the needle through your braid, like underneath your braid. Use the hook, grab the loop of the hair, pull it through. Then you want to get it all together like you see there. Open up that loop. Like if you have to stretch it far, stretch it far. But you don't want to disturb it too much, but just pull it apart directly in the middle. Pull your braid in the end of that same crochet lock, because I'm using locks, I'll just say lock, but you want to use that there to make your knot. That's how you're going to get your knot, and then I promise you it ain't going nowhere. So this is my starting point, and this is where I am now. You want to, now that you have that secured and tied up, knotted up at the top, you want to take your crochet needle and start to slide it up directly up the middle of the crochet hair, directly up the middle. Okay, excuse my camera, I am still working this out with how this thing is focusing, but you want to get that needle right in the middle. You want to slide it all the way up to the top and get it as close to your root as possible, or at least as close to the root of your braided hair as possible, because that's going to give you a nice clean even transition from where your hair is and where the crochet hair is. Because if you don't go all the way up, I promise you will be able to see that thing. Like, it ain't gonna be no hiding it. So it should look like this here. Once you get it all the way up, you should not be able to go any further, and you want to take the hook, the crochet needle. You want to grab your braid now that you have it shimmied all the way up through the middle of the crochet hair, and now you're going to pull your braid through while at the same time feeding the crochet hair up the needle, so that you'll have some, there you go, so that you'll have some room to pull the hair down and to cover it like that. That to me is the best way that I have found, and it's pretty quick, especially once you get your technique down. So if your hair is long, you're gonna have the issue of having to go back in and do like you see me doing here. This is probably my 5th time doing this style, and when I first started out, my hair was probably half the length of the needle, the crochet needle, so I literally only had to do it was one and done. Now that my hair is longer, I have to go back in and feed the rest of that hair through, pull the rest of my braid through the crochet hair, and then it should look like that. Once you get all the hair tucked into there, it should look like this. You shouldn't be able to see anything. You shouldn't be able to you shouldn't be able to do it anymore. Like, that should be it. You shouldn't be able to see your hair. You should only be seeing the crochet hair at that point. So for the rest of this video, you're going to just see me repeating the process. You're going to see me struggle a bit, which is around this point here, where I believe I'm going to have to go. You'll see me struggling, but I promise you it's easy. If you get caught, if you get a snag, you'll be able to just continue to work the needle through. And in the event that you do get a snag, some things for you to stop and just check for before you start to freak out and just say bump it all. Just ask yourself, did I feed the needle all the way through to the top? Did I reach my root? Is the crochet needle hooked onto my hair, or is it hooked onto the crochet hair? Because those are things that matters, and it happens because, you know, it's a bunch of hair, you're dealing with a bunch of stuff, especially if you're here for the first time. It can get frustrating, so just remember to stop and ask yourself those questions, and then just keep it moving. I promise you, it's easy. You can do it. I promise you, you can do it. Let's talk about protective styling. So I know a lot of people, especially if you're in the natural hair community, which I am, I consider myself definitely type 4. Back in the day I used to say 4C, but now, you know, I'm not sure because there's this whole thing with definition. I'm not sure, so I'll just say type 4. But then you know about protective styles if you're in the natural hair community. You know about the debate between what counts and what doesn't. For me, I'm very big on low tension. I absolutely hate when hairstyles are extremely tight. This one is one that is low tension, y'all. Unless you braid tight yourself, which I don't see how you can do plaits too tight. This hairstyle will not be too tight. You will not have a headache when you're done. You'll be able to style it however you want. Like, those are just some of the things that I love about. You can still reach your scalp in order to, you know, practice good scalp care. You can still wash these. Honestly, you can still wash your hair with this. I've done it before. You can wash your scalp. I've even noticed that my edges have grown back because, I don't know, you probably can't tell here, but my edges were snatched. Like, Viv came in and snatched my edges. They've started to grow back. Like, those are just some of the differences for me, and things that that help me consider it, that help me determine what's considered a protective style. Those are just some of my preferences. I realize that this could be different from, you know, each natural. It varies, but it's definitely something for me because I braid tight. Like, I'm pretty, I don't know what the term is, but I know I'm not tender-headed for sure, but I've had people say that I braid tight, and I could tell, like, when I'm braiding my hair, like braiding it down to the scalp, I have to, like, remind myself, like, not too tight, girl, because who trying to be, no, I cannot stand that feeling of just having my forehead snatched and having my forehead trying to, like, go to the back of my freaking kitchen back there to have a meeting. Like, I hate it. I absolutely hate that feeling. I hate the feeling of your eyes being pulled. Like, it's not cute to me. I hate seeing people, because I won't even let people, I stopped getting my hair done so long ago because of this. I hate seeing when people braid around your edges too tight, even when it's just like a plait, not even braided to the scalp. It's like, there's no reason it should be that tight. But for me, a protective style is something where my hair is literally being protected and it still has the ability to grow. Like, my hair will still be cared for while it's in this style. It's put away and protected, not just put away and being hidden. Because honestly, as a teenager, that's what it used to be for me. Protective styles used to be, ooh, yay, I don't have to, I don't have to be ugly with my hair out, because that's what it used to be. Now, child, you're gonna get this 4C Pro, you're gonna get this shrinkage, you're gonna get these twists, whatever it is. I don't care how childish it looks. I don't care what you think, how you feel. I feel great. I feel confident, and that's something that's huge for me, and I know it's something that a lot of girls, especially young girls, are still going through to this day. So that's just something I wanted to share. A protective style, it depends on how you feel about it, but you should feel like you should still have your actual hair in mind when you're choosing your protective style. Otherwise, it's just a style, if that makes sense. Also, I really love crochet because it's so versatile, especially this way. It's so versatile. You can crochet locks in, you can crochet actual hair in. Like if you just want some curls, you can crochet curly hair. You can crochet box braids in. Like you can. It's so versatile, y'all. It's ridiculous, but I love it. It's so fun. You can do so many. It's just the results are literally endless when it comes to talking about crocheting your hair for just any style, let alone talking about protection and the lack of tension that comes with it. But that's about it, y'all. That's all I have for this one. I'm so excited to get this up and posted and to share with y'all. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me your comments. I'm excited to read and to get to know y'all. I'm excited for y'all to get to know me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow your girl everywhere at Brown Queendom, especially on Instagram. I'm on TikTok. I'm trying to grow over there, but I'm really trying to grow over here. So hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell so you'll see when I upload another video. That's natural hair, that's beauty. You might even get some like little podcast things about motherhood, but that's about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.